Hi, this is Mr. R. I'm going to show you guys how to edit a Google Doc and do a few things in it. We're going to work with this favorites activity here. And as you can see, the cursor changes over that. So you could just click it and it would open up on this page. What I would like for you to do is right click and click Open Link in New Tab. Do not worry, if you click it and it opens up here, all you have to do is click the reload button and it'll bring you back right here. Right click, open in new tab, and it will open this up for you in a new tab. You will not be able to work on this document. I have it highlighted and I'm trying to type. It won't work. You need to make your own copy. To do that, click File, Make a Copy, and simply change the name. Use your first and last name, please. So Philip Rickehoff, Favorites. And I just have two things on this document that I would like for you to do. So I want you to tell me what your favorite activity is, and I'll tell you mine. Going to use the mouse and highlight this. I would like for this to be a complete sentence, please. So and I'm going to misspell this on purpose so that I can show you something. It may fix it automatically for me. Okay, good, it didn't. So my favorite activity is basketball, period. If you have a red squiggly line underneath a word, that means it is spelled incorrectly. All you have to do is bring your cursor over it and click. And there is how to correctly spell favorite. That's how you type into a Google Doc and how to fix a typo. The next thing I want you to do is use a bulleted list to share your favorite ice cream flavors. I want to type underneath this, so I'm going to put my cursor, I'm going to click at the end of that sentence and hit the Enter key. Once I've hit Enter, my cursor's down here, but I do not have a bulleted list. To put a bulleted list in, I go up to the top here, and that little picture of a bulleted list, I simply click it, and it's inserted that bulleted list for me. My favorite flavor is cookie dough. If I want to put other things in the list, all I have to do is hit Enter. So I'll tell you my three favorite flavors: cookie dough, vanilla, and peanut butter ice cream. Now let's say that I'm working on this document, I'm finished, I'm getting ready to share it with my teacher, whether that's Mr. Rickehoff or Mr. Caro. But for some reason, everything gets highlighted, and all it'll take is I hit the backspace button and everything's gone. Don't go panic mode. This arrow right here means undo. So if you make a mistake and accidentally delete everything, all you have to do is click undo, and it brings everything back for you. Now I am ready to share. So to share this with your teacher, like I said, you're either going to share it with Mr. Rickehoff or Mr. Caro. Go up to the top, click share. And when this loads up, all you have to do is start typing in your teacher's name. So if I wanted to share it with Mr. Caro, C-A-R-O, well, there's Caro P. That would share it with Mr. Caro. If your teacher is Mr. Rickehoff, just start to type in Philip Rickehoff. And there's my picture and my name will pop up. Click that. Make sure it says to notify people and hit send. Once it sends, your assignment is turned in to your teacher and you are finished. Thank you.